Hi everybody, David Dilling from Marksware, and over here on our YouTube channel, an old video we have, Getting Files Ready for Prepress, Chris had a good question. What about scaling? Well, the answer is, we talked about FlightCheck in that video, FlightCheck for pre-flighting files like InDesign, Quark, PDF, Illustrator, etc. And FlightCheck will check for scaling, if images have been scaled or image boxes have been scaled within the documents. Well, let me show you how. Here we have a file I've mocked up with some things to let you see here. And if we drop that file on the FlightCheck icon down here, FlightCheck will pre-flight the document, give you an inventory, so to speak, of everything used inside of it. Based off the set ground controls, it'll tell you what's wrong or what's in a potential problem. And right away we see here under images, we have some scaled images. And that's what Chris was looking for, and that's what FlightCheck will help you find. But in even more detail in the main window, we get specific detailed information about scaling. The same image, and we see other images as well, is using scaling here at 94% X and 70% Y. So you see exactly how much has been scaled. Now, if it's a uniform scaling, it might be okay. But if it's oddball like that, well, that could really should raise some alarm bells. So this is going to be something we want to check out. And just to show you first is the ground controls under images section here. Whoops. We can click on image scale, and if we turn it off, we see it disappears. And if we click once, we get blue for warning, and if we click twice, we get red for an error. We've also in this file made some images that have been skewed. Here we see a picture box has been rotated, and here we see a picture box has been skewed. We also show you if the picture itself, not only the box, but within the box itself, if the picture has been rotated or skewed, in addition to if it's been scaled. I guess it kind of falls all in the same category there to a certain degree. Now, if we want to go and find more information about this image, we can click on it, but we can actually also, through the page layout function in FlightCheck, actually go to that said image and click Launch Document, and FlightCheck will fire up InDesign in this case, or Illustrator, or whatever application it might be, and take you right into the problem, even Acrobat if it was a PDF. And we see cruise right in there. And without doing anything, it takes us right in there, and we can address the problem of that oddly scaled image. Now we see other problems. This is obviously the rotated one, and this is the skewed problem. In InDesign, they call it shear. We call it skewed. It's a more typical term. Shear, skewed, same thing, and FlightCheck will find that for you. So you can see here the value of using FlightCheck to pop back and forth into your document to help find scaled images or many other problems that FlightCheck will check for. If you need more information on Marksware's FlightCheck, cruise on over to marksware.com today. There you can go to our product section or scroll down and find FlightCheck here and click on the more information to find out all the details on the numerous things FlightCheck will check for. More than 300 potential problems for print or output that are very important to check for. We will pre-flight a host of file formats, and we also package everything up after the file's been pre-flighted, all fonts and images together in one folder, even compressed, so you can send off even automatically with Automator on the Mac to the next party in the workflow. FlightCheck is Mac only, but down here under our reviews, which by the way is very important to check out, we have many excellent reviews of FlightCheck. There's also a section where you can download the full working demo version. We recommend that, then you can try it for yourself. So thank you. David Dilling from Marksware on how FlightCheck can check if your images have been skewed, rotated, or scaled. Thank you. Have a great day.